Welcome to Cotney Consulting Group. I'm John Kenney, and I'm excited to introduce our Roofing Superintendent Certification Program. The premier training is designed for those looking to lead and excel in operational management of roofing projects. Whether you're already in the supervisory role or looking to step up, this program provides you the skills needed to manage roofing operations from start to finish efficiently. Our Roofing Superintendent Certification Program is crafted to develop your expertise in overseeing roofing projects with confidence and precision. The program consists of 10 critical modules that cover everything you need to know to become a successful roofing superintendent. Let's take a look at what's inside. Site operations management, advanced safety protocols, project scheduling and timeline management, quality assurance and standards compliance, resource allocation and cost control, team leadership and conflict resolution, effective communication and stakeholder engagement, technology integration and project supervision, environmental regulation and compliance, and finally, career advancement and professional development. Site operations management. Master the essentials of effective site management. Learn how to streamline daily operations and integrate best practices to ensure your project runs smoothly and efficiently. Advanced safety protocols. Dive into safety training that emphasizes creating and enforcing safety protocols. You will learn how to establish a hazard-free environment for your crews. Project scheduling and timeline management. You will explore the tools and techniques needed for effective project scheduling. You'll master how to manage timelines and ensure project milestones are met on time. Quality assurance and standards compliance. Here, you'll learn how to uphold high-quality standards throughout the project. You're assured that your team adheres to building codes and complies with all the relevant regulations on each of your projects. Resource allocation and cost control. Here you will understand how to allocate resources wisely and control project costs. Learn how to manage budgets effectively and maximize profitability without compromising on quality. Team leadership and conflict resolution. Leading teams to success. Here you'll learn how to develop essential leadership skills that foster team cohesion and productivity. Learn to resolve conflicts effectively to create a positive and harmonious work environment. Effective communication and stakeholder engagement. Here you'll learn how to enhance your communication skills. You're going to boost your communication skills to keep everyone on the same page. Learn how to provide clear, consistent updates to clients, team members, and any other stakeholders on your projects. Technology integration and project supervision. Get your hands-on experience with the latest technology in project management. Learn how to integrate digital tools to improve efficiency and accuracy in the project supervision process. Environmental and regulatory compliance. Navigating environmental standards is a big part of this job. Here you're going to learn how to understand the importance of meeting environmental regulations, ensure that your projects comply with legal standards while promoting sustainability and responsibility. Career advancement and professional development. Here we're going to gain insights into advancing your career. Explore the professional development opportunities that will keep you ahead in the industry and learn strategies to enhance your leadership skills continuously. Are you ready to take charge and lead your team's success on every roofing project? Enroll in our Superintendent Certification Program today. Visit us at www.cotney.com and learn more about getting started to elevate your career at Cotney Consulting Group.